Ever wondered how websites get their sleek design and stylish layouts? The magic behind it is a language called CSS, or Cascading Style Sheets. A crucial tool for web developers, CSS transforms the plain structure of a website into a visually appealing digital experience. To understand CSS, imagine you're building a house. HTML is the foundation and structure, while CSS is the paint, wallpaper, and decorative elements that make it a home. Let's delve into the world of CSS and understand how to use it. Start by writing your HTML structure. Remember, HTML is the skeleton of your website. For instance, a basic HTML structure includes a header, body, and footer. Once you have your HTML structure, it's time to style it with CSS. CSS can be incorporated in three ways: inline, internal, and external. Inline CSS involves adding styles directly to the HTML elements. For example, you can make a paragraph red by adding the style attribute to the paragraph tag. However, this method can become cumbersome for larger projects, as you would have to style every single element individually. Internal CSS, on the other hand, involves adding styles within the head section of the HTML document. It uses the style tag and allows you to style multiple HTML elements at once. This method is more efficient than inline CSS, but it still has its limitations. It is not reusable across multiple pages. External CSS is the most efficient way of incorporating styles. It involves creating a separate CSS file and linking it to the HTML document. This method is reusable, maintainable, and keeps your HTML document clean. Now, let's talk about CSS syntax. CSS syntax consists of a selector and a declaration block. The selector points to the HTML element you want to style. The declaration block contains one or more declarations separated by semicolons. Each declaration includes a CSS property name and a value, separated by a colon. Once you understand the syntax, you can start styling your website. For example, you can change the color of your header, adjust the font size in your body, or add a background image to your footer. CSS also includes a feature called selectors. Selectors are used to select and manipulate HTML elements. They can be divided into 5 categories: simple, combinator, pseudo-class, pseudo-elements, and attribute selectors. These selectors provide you with the flexibility to style your website in various ways. Furthermore, CSS provides a variety of properties that you can use to style your website. These include background properties, text properties, box model properties, and many more. Now, to summarize, CSS is a powerful tool that gives life to your website. It allows you to style your HTML structure in a variety of ways. It allows you to incorporate CSS through inline, internal, or external methods. The CSS syntax includes a selector and a declaration block. CSS also provides a variety of selectors and properties to style your website. Remember, practice makes perfect, so the more you practice CSS, the more proficient you'll become at it. So, go ahead and start styling your website. Happy coding!